The 2019-2020 Honda CB300R. Honda expanded its Neo-Sports Café lineup with the new in 2019 CB300R that brings more of the same café-tastic vibe that we got with the CB1000R, just in an entry-level size package. This naked little pocket crotch rocket, or sport naked as the factory has dubbed the style, looks to pull in younger riders with a user-friendly 286cc powerplant and lightweight design. After a race to the bottom of the usable displacement range for the sport and naked genres, Honda is refining its bottom-tier rides. Honda CB300R design. Without any specific features to tie it into the café genre, Sport Roadster is as descriptive a name as one could hope for. Modern and edgy, the CB300R exudes a café vibe, all without any specific features to tie it into the genre. Sure, it's got sporty looks, but without a bullet fairing, tail fairing, or any other classic bits, it's really just a naked standard, right? Yes.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.